charge for parking.
Oh, you're gonna just tell them you're in it now?
What?
Well, you're just gonna be there for like a little bit, right?
3 hours or less.
Is that free or no? How much is $3 less? Fucking shit, it recorded again. I need to fucking fix it. See if oh, that cop's always there. What if somebody's speeding on the other side? It looks like he's pointing a gun at somebody. I'd fucking shoot him. He's got a gun!
Oh yeah, I don't have to walk the dog, so I might be able to find really good work.
So you answer my question. For 3 hours and less,
What?
you still gotta pay?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, you gotta pay whenever it's, what am I trying to say? If I go over 3 hours and I stay under 8 hours, it's $20. If I go over 8 hours, it's $30. It's ridiculous.
Man, I just pull on the side of the road and take a nap. I wouldn't pay.
I'm actually, as soon as I leave here, I'm pulling down the street from where I'm delivering. There's a old Toys R Us. Yeah. That's where I'd be. Exotic car transport. Well, we obviously know if you have any cars in there, they're expensive as shit. So, what is stealing from you?
Born
Right?
to be a winner. Born to be a champion.
Oh yeah? Oh shit. Now, I'm gonna put my coat on because it's 45 degrees and windy.
Bad boys, bad boys.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Here we go. Make way! Wait, are you taking me with you?
Well, yeah, that's so. Then you wanna visit the shitter? Right?
Man, is it the end of the month or something? There's cops everywhere.
Somebody once told me, come on.
Their food looks like macaroni.
Now, this area, I'm more into the Corona hotspots than Springfield.
Oh yeah, that's real nice. Let me tell my wife that.